In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find text within cards in Trello. Start by opening the Trello board where you want to search. Make sure you're on the correct board first, because Trello search results can vary depending on where you begin. Once the board is open, look at the top of the page for the search bar. Click into that bar, then type the word or phrase you want to find. After entering your text, press Enter on your keyboard. In some cases, Trello may show an option that says Search Cards. If you see that prompt, go ahead and click it. This tells Trello to show matching cards related to the text you enter. Now review the search results. Trello will display cards that contain your search term, which helps you quickly narrow down where the information might be. Take a moment to scan the matching card titles and any visible details. Then click the result that looks most relevant. That will open the card so you can inspect it more closely. Once the card is open, the next step is to search inside the card itself. On Windows, press Ctrl and F together. On a Mac, press Command and F. This opens your browser's Find tool, which is useful for locating text within the content currently visible on the card. Type the same text again into that Find box. As you enter the text, matching words or phrases should become highlighted within the card details. This can help you find mentions inside descriptions, checklists, comments, or other visible sections of the card. If the text appears more than once, use the Find tool to move through each match. Then scroll through the card to locate the highlighted results and view them in context. That's the full process for finding text within cards in Trello, from searching the board to locating the exact text inside an individual card. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here is to search for the unique keyword or short phrase if you're getting too many results. That usually makes it easier to spot the right card faster. Also, if you don't see the text highlighted right away inside the card, try scrolling slowly, because some matches may be farther down in the card content. And if the first result isn't the one you need, just go back to the search results and open the next matching card until you find the exact section you were looking for. And that's it. You now know how to search a Trello board, open matching cards, and find specific text within the card details quickly and efficiently.